Hello doctors. Today we learn on notes for the shortly ureter. This is, you can see this picture, a kidney, two ureters connected to the bladder. A ureter begins within the renal sinus and descends, that is, it comes along its medial margin or partly behind, and gradually it is narrow till the lower end of the kidney, and it becomes the ureter proper. And this ureter passes downwards and slightly medially on the tips of transverse process, and there is a psoas major muscle, and enters into the pelvis by termination of common iliac artery. And the ureter first runs downwards and slightly backwards and laterally. Following, there is a greater sciatic notch opposite the ischial spine. It turns forwards and medially to reach the base of urinary bladder. Next, you can see some of the constrictions. There is a pelvic-uretic junction crossing the pelvic brim, crossing of ureter by ductus deferens, oblique passage through bladder, opening in lateral angle of trigone. Next is your blood supply, and you can see in this picture your constrictions, vesicouterine junction, pelvic brim, its origin, and your blood supply. Upper part there is renal artery branches, middle part branches of aorta, lower part branches of rectal or uterine vesicles, and nerve supply sympathetic and parasympathetic T10 to L1 and S2 to S4 respectively. And applied aspects, you can see some of the ureter stones, and you can see duplex ureter. It means two will be there ureters, so it drains into the renal pelvis on either sides. And it can be ectopic ureter. It means a single ureter, there will be a longer ureter which gets inserted more inferiorly and medially than the normal one. Next, you can see it is a sacral canal. It means it is formed by the superior imposed vertebral foramen of sacral vertebra. It means sacral canal, it is a short nose, like how you write. And this sacral canal getting communicated with the pelvic and dorsal sacral foramina through intervertebral foramina. And there are some of the contents of sacral canal. Lower part of cauda equina, there is a sacral and coccygeal nerve roots. Next, filum terminale, spinal meninges, subdural and subarachnoid spaces, and lower sacral nerves. Then, what are the structures passing through the sacral hiatus? There is sacral nerves of S5, coccygeal nerves C4, and filum terminal. So, these are the contents of the sacral canal, contents and structures. For further more updates, subscribe, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching SPN.